Hello everyone, welcome to my drawing channel. I will take you on a step-by-step journey to unlock your artistic potential. I will show you some fun and exciting techniques to help you discover the joy of drawing. Before we begin our drawing lesson today, we need some basic drawing supplies. Here is a list of items that you will need. Are you ready? First, we use our pencil and lightly sketch out the basic framework of the picture we want to draw on the paper. Once we have our outline, we can erase the shape lightly so it is not too dark, but we still can see their positions. Then, you can begin with the detailed drawing. Once you're done with the detailed drawing, use a marker to trace over the sketch. You can use a black marker or colorful marker. You also can fix any mistake you made in the roughly sketch before you start coloring. After completing the tracing process, remember to use an eraser to remove any excess pencil markers. If you have finished, we can move on to the next step now. Adding color is a super important step in drawing. It brings your artwork to life and makes it look more realistic. Now let's get started with adding color. Pick the color you like and carefully fill them in. I will show you how I color, but feel free to create your own style and experiment. Thank you for tuning to today's class. We are done now, but I hope you all enjoyed it and learned something new. If you want to see more of my content, feel free to check my channel for other drawing classes. See you next time. Bye!